Right, so I've just gone for a walk. I'm under a normal bridge and I've stumbled across the biggest cigarette I have ever seen. Psh, look at that. Someone has worked their magic on that. That is insane. Smoking skills. I beg a question. How has somebody got up there? Did they have a ladder? Mate, that turns a boring looking underpass into something quite special. Obviously you've got your normal graffiti over there. Got a massive cigarette there. Cool, you'd get your nicotine fix out of that. That looks special. So sick. So sick. Right, and then I've spotted something else. Bear with me. So again, a normal boring bit of the bridge, and then boom, look at that. The biggest pack of polos I've ever seen. Mate, that is sick. Look at that. Someone is very talented. I like it. I think that's unreal. Let's have a look. Again, it poses a question. How did someone get up there? Did they shuffle up there? Or is someone giving them a bunk up there? Look at that. The biggest pack of polos you have ever seen. As I say, I reckon they should probably do all of these pillars with something else. That is special. I am well impressed. Imagine having a pack of polos that big. Sick. And then from back here, mate, I love that. I think that's unreal. If anyone has seen any other art, any like bridge art anywhere else, let me know. I'd be interested to go and have a look at it. But I thought polos, food, I'll let you all see it. I see some rave reviews. Someone posted something about it the other day and they're like, you need to get down and have a look at that. So there you go. We've got that massive fag over there. And then obviously we've got that massive pack of polos there. Sick. So sick. Anyway, there's enough of my bridge tour for today. There's a new Amazon building over there. So this bridge is the bridge that joins Bognor to Littlehampton. I believe this area is called Feltham. Well, I know it's called Feltham. There you go. Polos, cigarette. Turning a boring bridge into something quite arty. There you go. Definitely got my steps in today. Van's all the way over there. Oh. Right, I'm off to the kitchen. Hold up. As I was leaving, I've just spotted another one. This one is a clipper lighter. It's not as good as the other two, but that still looks sick. But someone's whacked another tag over it, if that's what it's called.